Perfect Doc Studio offers a one-stop customer communication platform to design and deliver correspondence in the customer's preferred language. Their AI-driven customer communication tool has a user-friendly interface with simple drag and drop to easily create and publish any communication. From official correspondence and quality proposals to the countless emails sent out every day. Streamline multi-channel customer communications in over 100 languages at an affordable cost. Please welcome Perfect Doc Studio.
A very good afternoon, everyone. This is Kadambari Anbalagan from Perfect Doc Studio. So let me start off with a very quick question. How many of you have traveled to a country where you don't speak or understand their language? Can you raise your hands? Oh, a lot of people in the crowd. So now imagine you are living in that country and you're receiving all your critical documents like policies, statements, any kind of communications in a language that you cannot even read. That is a frustrating experience, isn't it? But this is the reality of millions of people across Europe. During our recent research, we found something surprising. In Germany alone, there are 14 million residents who are foreign residents. So that's a staggering number. But the real problem here is that most of them receive documents only in German. That's not a German issue. Many of the other countries in Europe face a similar problem as well. In an era where we are moving towards hyper-personalization, it's shocking to see that this fundamental need is being overlooked. Providing information to people in their preferred language is not just a courtesy, it's essential for creating, extraordinary customer experience for your customers. So now, let's flip the perspective a little bit. Imagine that you are the CEO of an ambitious insurance company which wants to expand across Europe or even the world. You face this monumental task of localizing all your documents, all your communications in every country's language. That's a daunting task, isn't it? Localizing documents and communications can take weeks and weeks of effort and even can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to companies. In fact, some studies state that companies spend on an average of 1% to 2% of their revenue just on localization effort. Imagine that you are a billion-dollar company. That would mean $10 to $20 million go into just making sure your customers understand what you're trying to tell them. So how do we solve this problem? With Perfect Doc Studio, we have helped businesses to create data-driven, engaging documents, emails, even short messages in over 108 languages in a more engaging way. So let's quickly dive into how we have completely reimagined document generation in a more engaging and futuristic way for our customers. So let's pick a sample complex document in the insurance sector. So this is a typical insurance policy, that you would see, which spans across pages, like around 50 pages nobody wants to read, with endless text. So now, check this out. So this is the same insurance policy that is completely reimagined using our tool. So it's intuitive, user-friendly, and it has a lot of eye-catching visuals to make it extremely engaging. You might think that, in order to create this kind of a masterpiece, it would take, months of effort. But with our tool, it just takes minutes. Let me show you how. It's a fairly easy to use drag and drop feature where you can, layer things on top of one another. It's just like, playing puzzles with your children where you get to simply move things around and get it done, right? So in no time at all, you have a fun and engaging document that your customers want to, actually read. So that is the experience that we provide. But wait, this is not just a pretty document. This is completely data-driven. You can add repeating sections, dynamic tables. Any kind of complex document driven by your customer data can be generated using this tool in no time at all. For example, in this particular preview, you can see that right from the customer name to their photographs, to the invoice that is generated for this insurance policy, to the advertisements that are attached towards the end of these documents, which can be switched every single week when you're sending it out to your customers, can be completely customized using this platform. You can even throw in a business logic, for instance. You can define which part of this document is supposed to be displayed to which customer of yours. You can clearly engage your customers and define what kind of logic that needs to be created. As you're seeing here, it's a fairly simple to use design tool where you can create any kind of complex logic and define what needs to be shown to your customers. In this particular case, we are just trying to switch a particular data tag through which we'll decide whether the advertisement should be displayed to the user or not. It's as simple as this. So the moment I change it to true, I'm able to show this advertisement to the customer. So now for the really cool part, say you want to create the same design in a different language, and if you want to cater to a different customer base, with just one click, retaining all the design aspects as is, we do a translation which is more than 90% accurate. So that's how fast you can actually create documents and communications for another audience. Let's say you're starting from scratch. We have got that covered for you as well. We have got a GenAI capability. You can ask the system to write content for you in any of the European languages. That's how simple is it to actually include content and get things started. Not just that, we also support email channels. A similar design system is offered to facilitate email delivery, along with a personalized document attachment. And we do also have a short message studio where you can instantly deliver messages, even automated voice calls to all your customers in 108 languages. That is how fast you can go to market if you're trying to expand to a variety of geographical locations. To wrap up, I would like to highlight some of the important things that we have done for our customers. Today, our customers are able to serve customers in any different language, even though they have to create hundreds of documents in less than 3 weeks. That is how fast we have made it for them. And they have experienced an 80% reduction in cost when they are trying to serve a new customer in a different geographical location. And they no longer rely on any IT team, whatsoever for any changes to maintain and manage their correspondences anymore. And what was taking, weeks and weeks of effort now just takes minutes for them to do. So Perfect Doc Studio is not just a tool, it's a game changer if you would like to save your cost, improve your efficiency, and would like to have rapid growth. Thank you so much for your time. Please visit us in our booth if you have more questions about us. Thank you so much.